Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work on in the morning 9 o'clock and open my Gmail and check over there all the detail about on Beta Team and Retail Channel also, and then I go to my regular work. That was today's RSR. I research on the RSR today, and I have not got enough product. Actually, we have got two product, and I set it on my ultimate list, and also do as your sending PO form. Also done it. Please check out at the channel. And today I work on Uber. I all the got all the information and set on the Uber channel. I made another file. You see, just look, and I just copy and make another folder 2019 and set as like previous sheet also. If there is any comments about this sheet, then please say me, and this is right or wrong. Okay, and also do my KGG ad. So that's all, and this is the last day of this week. So next working day we will meet again, please. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.